Hello, friends and colleagues. Rob Paul here. There's an old saying that goes, if you have to eat crow, eat it warm. The idea is this: if you've made a mistake, own it early. Admitting a mistake is tough. Waiting too long just makes it tougher on you and your team. In leadership, mistakes are inevitable. What matters most is how quickly and honestly you respond when they happen. Leaders who admit their mistakes, learn from them, and take immediate accountability earn trust. The ones who deflect, delay, or blame others lose it. Taking responsibility when it's still uncomfortable shows your team that your ego isn't in the driver's seat, your integrity is. The longer you wait, the colder the crow gets, and the harder it is to swallow. That delay erodes trust, fuels resentment, and makes the eventual reckoning messier than it needs to be. So next time you misstep, and you will, don't hide it, spin it, or bury it. Eat the crow, eat it warm. Lead well and live well, and thanks for tuning in.